Are you tired of spending excessive amounts of money on fuel? Are you concerned about the environmental impact of your vehicle's emissions? We have the solution for you. Welcome to Driving with Confidence, tips and tricks to maximize mileage. In this video, we will provide you with valuable insights and techniques to help you maximize your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, these tips will help you save money at the pump and reduce your carbon footprint. Get ready to revolutionize your driving habits and start saving on fuel costs today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content to optimize your driving experience. In this video, we will share invaluable strategies to enhance your fuel efficiency and reduce the amount of fuel your vehicle consumes. Let's get started. Fuel efficiency is a growing concern for many drivers. With rising fuel prices and a heightened focus on sustainability, it's crucial to find ways to maximize your vehicle's mileage. The good news is, it's easier than you might think. By implementing a few simple tips and tricks, you can significantly reduce your fuel consumption while still enjoying a comfortable driving experience. Now, let's explore 5 key strategies to improve your fuel efficiency and start saving money at the pump. 1. Maintain proper tire pressure. Proper tire inflation is essential for optimal fuel efficiency. When your tires are not properly inflated, they create more resistance, making your engine work harder and consuming more fuel. Check your vehicle's owner's manual or the sticker on the driver's side door jamb for the recommended tire pressure, and make it a habit to check your tire pressure at least once a month. By doing so, you can maximize your mileage and improve your vehicle's handling and safety as well. 2. Minimize excess weight. Do you often carry unnecessary items in your vehicle? Excess weight can have a significant impact on your vehicle's fuel efficiency. The heavier your car, the more effort your engine needs to exert to move it. Take a moment to declutter your trunk and remove any unnecessary items. Minimizing excess weight will not only save fuel but also improve your vehicle's handling and overall performance. 3. Avoid rapid acceleration and braking. Your driving habits play a crucial role in fuel consumption. Avoid rapid acceleration and abrupt braking as much as possible. These aggressive driving behaviors consume more fuel, as they place a higher demand on your engine. Instead, practice smooth and gradual acceleration, and maintain a consistent speed when possible. By doing so, you can significantly improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and reduce wear on various components. 4. Utilize cruise control. Cruise control is an excellent tool for maximizing fuel efficiency, especially during extended highway journeys. When you engage cruise control, it helps maintain a constant speed, which eliminates unnecessary acceleration and deceleration. By keeping your speed consistent, you can reduce fuel consumption and experience a smoother, more relaxed driving experience. 5. Plan and combine trips. Optimizing your trips can significantly enhance your fuel efficiency. If possible, plan and combine your errands into a single trip rather than making multiple short trips throughout the day. By doing so, you can minimize cold starts, which consume more fuel. Additionally, organizing your travel routes efficiently can further reduce the overall distance traveled, saving fuel and time. Congratulations! By implementing these valuable fuel-saving tips and tricks, you are well on your way to a more eco-friendly and cost-effective driving experience. Remember to maintain proper tire pressure, minimize excess weight, avoid aggressive driving habits, utilize cruise control, and plan and combine your trips. Thank you for joining us in Driving with Confidence, tips and tricks to maximize mileage. Maximize your fuel efficiency today and start saving both money and the environment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content to optimize your driving experience. Safe and efficient driving until next time.